Welcome to this quick and easy guide on how to send a view once photo on WhatsApp, updated with the latest steps and features. Whether you want to share something that disappears after being viewed, or simply protect your privacy, this feature is a simple but powerful tool built right into the app. Let's dive in and walk through it together. First, open your WhatsApp app on your phone. Make sure you're using the latest version so all the newest features work smoothly. Once it's open, head to the chat where you want to send your photo. This can be an individual chat or a group. The process is exactly the same. Next, look for the small paperclip icon or plus sign, depending on your phone. That's the attachment icon. Tap it to open your sharing options. From there, select Gallery to browse your photos. Choose the picture you want to send. Maybe it's a surprise photo, a private image, or something you don't want staying in the chat. Now comes the key part. Right beside the send button, you'll see a small view once icon that looks like a number 1 inside a circle. Tap that icon and you'll see a message confirming that the photo will disappear after it's been opened once. This means the person viewing it won't be able to open it again, forward it, or save it to their gallery. Once you've set it to view once, tap send. The photo will be delivered with the special icon letting both you and the recipient know that it's a one-time view image. After they open it and close it, the photo will vanish from the chat, keeping your moment truly private. And that's it. You've just sent a view once photo on WhatsApp. It's a simple feature, but it adds an extra layer of control over what you share. Keep this trick in mind for when you want your photos to stay for a moment, not forever.